Sarah!
Papa, I'm right here.
Oh, okay. So you have been here. I didn't even know. Okay, come and take soup. I'm giving you this soup from my heart, not because you deserve it, but I'm giving you the soup. Yes, go and eat the soup.
Papa, there's no fufu remaining. You finished it.
Shut up! Shut up. Go and look for fufu yourself. What is there's no fufu? I don't have money to buy you fufu. I don't have money to feed you.
Okay, I'll just go and collect from Mama Ebube.
Yeah, stupid. Come back here. How can you go to collect from Mama Ebube? So that she will say I can't buy fufu. Is that what you want?
Papa, no, now. I just want to go and borrow from her. Then when I resume work at the factory, I will pay her back.
Which nonsense factory? They have replaced you. You have to go and look for where to get money because I don't have money to feed you. You see, if you were a boy, they wouldn't have done this to you. Who would have done this to you if you were a boy? He will fight. I told that woman to give me a son. She didn't give me a son and she gave birth to you and died. Is that not the beginning of my problems?
I'm sorry, sir.
What are you sorry about? Give me back my soup.
I'm sorry, I'm just...
Give me my soup before I eat your head.
Papa, that's the only food left.
Let it be. Let me get out of here. Go. Hey!
Papa, what am I going to eat? That's the only...
Oh, you see her talking. I told that woman, give me a son. All the insults I'm getting is because I have no son. Eh? Look at me. She's telling me it is not fair. What is fair? Nonsense. Ha ha ha. Imagine a whole me, Jacob Okoro. That small boy insulted me. Eh? Because I have no son. If I had a son, my son would have been bigger than that boy by now. At least, Okoya bam, 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 bam. He will know who I am. Well, okay. I don't blame him. I don't blame him. Because that woman died not giving me a son. Eh? And has left Jacob Okoro sonless and stupid. I don't blame them. Huh? Can you imagine?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, kill you, the idiot. Are you not part of my problems? Eh? If that your stupid mother had given me a son, would that idiot, that small boy, have insulted me in that factory? Eh? Would he? My son will just go and beg, and he will shut up.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, kill you there. Sorry. Don't go and look for something to do. Look, I have no money to give you food or anything. Are you listening to me? You will suffer. You will see it. Oh, by the way, sir. Come back here. Come back. Come. Have they given you compensation for this your hand?
Maybe I'll get it when I go back to the factory.
Which nonsense factory? They have sacked you. You have no job. They've replaced you. Are you listening? Go and look for something to do. And before I come out here, you have started thinking of what to do. Go.
Papa, I want to tell you something.
Go ahead. I'm listening. I'm not deaf.
Papa, you remember that that computer office that is close to Uncle? They're offering this. They're offering a course on tech, and I want to tell you that I'm interested.
So are you expecting me to give you money to go and register?
No, no, Papa. I just want to tell you that I'm interested in registering. So I know you will not give me the money. I just want to tell you, then I will save up for it.
So what would you do when you finish?
So, see, Papa, there are many possibilities in tech. Once you graduate, Papa, you can work in any big company. I can even open my own cyber cafe office. I can. See, Papa, there are plenty opportunities in this tech. Oh. I'm telling you, that's why I want to do it.
Oh, so why are you dreaming like this? Why do you like dreaming about things you cannot get? Why? Why do you like dreaming?
Papa, it's not a dream. It's really what I want to do.
Sarah, Sarah, look. Every woman should dream of settling down with a man. She should dream of being protected by a man. She should dream of being provided for by a man. So, every woman should get married, be under the man, be in the kitchen, and probably sell one of those things.
Papa, take...
Okay, hey, it's okay. Can I have that? Give me that. Now, listen. Go and get married, be under a man, and become useful. That is the only thing you should dream about, not take whatever nonsense you're talking about. Go and get useful. Go and get married. Are you saying that? Get out of here, my friend. Go and get married and be useful. That is what a woman is meant for. Be married under a man, get the support of a man, be under the man, and that's the only way you can be useful. Don't dreaming technology nonsense. Come now, come and go. Come. There's nothing we won't see.
One is complete. Hi. So if I add this one to the one I've been saving, to be enough to pay for my computer class. Hey. God, you're too much, you. Let me hide this one before Papa will come. Papa, welcome.
Welcome, kill you there. Look, anytime I see you, my belly taunts me. Eh? I don't. Take your welcome and we do nonsense with it.
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, kill you there. Sorry. Sorry, kill you there. Sorry. Hey.
Papa, I want to tell you something. Remember the computer class I told you about? I have good news. The people that are in charge of the program, they said the first 10 people, that's the early birds, that register for the class will pay 10,000 naira instead of 15,000. And I want to be the first person to register, or maybe one of the first people to register.
Sarah.
Papa.
Sarah.
Sir?
Sarah.
Sir?
I don't care about your computer. I'm not interested. I don't have money to pay for your computer or whatever. I'm not interested. You do what you like. Go and give me water to drink.
I just wanted to share the good news with you, Papa.
Come on, go and give me water to drink. Go. My friend, move your leg. What's wrong with you? Give me water to drink. Ah. No, not just computer. Spitagua.
Papa, I'm leaving.
Leaving for where?
Papa, I told you that I want to register for computer lesson. That's where I'm going to.
Did I register you for computer lesson? Where are you getting the money from?
Papa, I didn't ask you to register me. I already have it sorted out. My oga from the company gave me money for my treatment. So I decided to use it and register for the class.
Oh. You want to die in my house? So they say I'm a murderer, I killed you.
No, Papa, that's...
What is no? They gave you money to teach yourself. And you want to register for computer school. What do you need computer for?
Papa, you know I've always been interested in tech. You know I want to go into the tech company in the nearest future. That's why I want to start from here.
Okay.
Get a proper knowledge.
You have done well. Do you want to dance too? Eh? Now listen. I have clothes at the back you should wash. And after that you cook yam. You know that yam, measure it properly. Make sure don't you cooking all of it, you know, like eating food.
But it's not fair now. I told you this thing last night and you agreed. I can always wash these clothes when I come back. And there is food in the house. Do I need to start cooking yam now?
Can I have the money?
What money, sir?
The money you are going to register with. Let me have the money now. Give me the money. See, you go to the back and wash those clothes.
Papa, why do you keep doing this? Why do you keep crushing all my efforts? You've never assisted me in anything, and this one time I want to make something good out of myself. You won't still let me. I'm not even asking you to support me. At least even if it's moral support, just give me. It's not fair. I just want to get a proper education. You know I've always been interested in tech. Just get the basic in education and get myself a better job to take care of me. And you. Why do you keep crushing my efforts?
Listen, you are a woman. A woman's place is at the back of my house. That is where you should be. You cook, you wash, you clean, you cut the grasses. That's what you should be. Then you get married. Are you listening to me?
How can you still be thinking in this time of age that a woman's place is in the kitchen? Papa, a woman can be anything. A woman can be something in the society.
Shut up! Stop this your nonsense, Amon. Before I close my eyes, open it. You've got to wash those clothes. Go and wash them right now! Come on, go and wash them! Go there.
This is not fair.
If I stand up from here now, you know what is fair.
This is not fair. At least give me money. Let me go and treat my hand.
Come walk. Look at all the money she wants to go and dash somebody that she wants to learn computer, a woman. At least 2 weeks food. What nonsense. You want to go and learn computer so that you become what? Computer. Hey!
Papa? Papa?
Yes? What is that?
Papa, please. Papa, please, can you give me some money to buy pad?
Are you stupid? Is there something wrong with your head? I should give you money to buy pad. Look, listen, I just gave birth to you. That's all. At your age, you should be able to buy pad for yourself. How can I buy pad for you?
Papa, you know I'm currently not working. I don't have a job yet.
Huh?
I promise I just want to borrow the money from you. I promise when I get a job, I will pay you back.
I don't have money.
Please.
I don't have money. I don't have money to give you. None. I don't have.
Papa, the only money I have, you've collected it.
Oh, you're accusing me of taking your money, right?
Papa, that's not what I mean.
Okay. What you mean is you go and tell the whole neighbors that don't want to buy pad for you. Is that what you're going to do? Will you get out of here? There's something wrong with you. Get out! Give you money. Don't use chalk or tissue paper or paper. Whatever you can find.
Papa, please, now. Please. How will I see money to buy pad now? Where? I don't even have a job. I don't have... And Papa will not even give me 1 naira. I took more money to buy pad. There's no tissue. God, oh. Why is everything in this country hard? Why? Why is everything getting expensive? Pad that used to be 300. Now everything has skyrocketed. Oh, wow. Government, I think one thing government should be giving is they should be giving free pad instead of free condoms. Because a girl child is suffering, oh. A girl child is suffering. I don't even know what to do now. I'm losing my bleeds now, God. I was so tired.
What are you trying to do? What?
Papa, I want to join you.
Join me to eat. Are you sick?
Papa, the food is meant for the both of us.
This food. Go and look for food to eat outside, my friend. What's wrong with you? How can this food be for both of us? Eh? This food for... My friend, get out of here.
Papa, I used my last card to make this food for us. Why? Let me just eat small out of it.
Okay. Go and tell them. Oh, I now feed bad Jacob Okoro. You see? That is my money that he's eating. Go and tell them. Announce it.
Papa, I didn't mean it that way. I just want...
Get out of here. Get out. Get out.
Papa, why are you doing this? Papa, the last money I have is what I used to make this food with. I won't...
Get out of here.
Papa, what do you want me to eat? I've been working since morning, cleaning the house, washing your clothes, and this is the only food I was hoping to eat. I don't have any money on me, please, Papa. Only the soup, please. I can get fufu from Mama Ibube. Papa, this is not fair. 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 Hello, sir. Good day. Please, are you done with your butter?
Why asking? Why?
I was hoping that if you're done, I used to sell it to recyclers.
Shift a bit, please. I wonder where this smell is coming from.
Hmm? I'm sorry, sir.
Hey, you don't need the bottle anymore? Oh, that was a mistake.
Sarah, Sarah, darling. Sarah, Sarah. Sarah, Sarah. Hey, Sarah, come on. Sarah, sit down, sit down, sit down. I have some good news for you. You know, Sarah, I went for our 8th grade meeting today. It was wonderful. I met this man. He's so rich. Egombute. He has Egombute. This man, he has shops in Aba. And he has so many boys that serve him. And he even has warehouses in Asaba.
Okay, that's good for him.
It's also good for you. You see why? Because he's looking for a life partner. Looking for somebody to marry. A good woman. A good woman he will take as his wife.
Good luck to him, oh.
Sarah, I recommended my daughter to him because you are beautiful, you are hardworking, you're industrious, you're wonderful.
Papa, God forbid. Unless you have another daughter, because it cannot be me, sir. How do you expect me to marry someone as old as you? God forbid,
Sarah,
Papa.
Sarah, what are you talking about? He's a young man. Am I old? I'm a young man. After all, age is what you make of it in your head. Anyway, this man is strong, is virile. He can still smack 40-year penalties.
Okay, sir. But I'm just 23, sir. Papa, how do you expect me to marry someone? I have dreams. Papa, you should be helping me pursue my dreams. You should be helping me make my dreams come true. Not pushing me to go and marry someone that is old enough to be my father. I cannot. I'm sorry.
Sarah, I am just telling you about where you'll be suing on top of Anotoke, where you'll be enjoying life. You don't need to hustle for anything again. You don't need to work. You just sit and enjoy.
Papa, I'm not interested. I'm not. He can look elsewhere. Maybe he find himself a widow or something. Because how can a young... For me, I can't. I'm sorry.
Okay, if you don't want that, you must now have to hustle like a man, bring money like a man, behave like a man. If you don't want to marry Odogu.
That's not a problem. If that's what you want, I will give you every money I make on daily basis. And at least that will be enough for you to leave me alone, right? Because, Papa, I'm sorry. I cannot marry your friend. That's why you called me. Let me be going back. Papa, good afternoon, sir.
What is good about the afternoon? I have no money. I have no food. You understand me?
That's all the money I made today from picking cans.
So it is this this small change that is making you not to marry my friend. Think you'll be picking these small things so that you don't marry my friend.
Papa, I already said it. I will not marry any old man. I will not marry him more.
Listen to yourself. Talking nonsense. Look, let me tell you. Marry him so that you can get big money for me and for yourself. Let me tell you. There is no rich woman, no big woman Who made money without opening legs for big men?
That's not true. You and I know it's not true, Papa. Women have dreams. Women are big in the society. Women are making waves. I don't know why you're not seeing that. Is it not you that sit here every morning and read newspaper? Are you not seeing some big women on pages of the newspaper, Papa? Women are human beings that are making things happen. I don't know why you want your daughter to go and marry that old man.
You are such a big fool. Do you know that? You are such a foolish person. Just because of this small amount of money. Eh? Is it that you are dreaming of nonsense? Listen to me. Very, very soon you'll be a Tonakanna. They'll be coming here to ask me, where is she, so that we can buy half a 10 kobo. That's what's going to happen. Watch.
The basic things you're supposed to provide for me as a father, you can't do it. And now I'm giving you my every money I've earned today just to make you happy. Yet, you want me to go and marry that old man? How do you expect me to marry a man I don't even love? Papa, I can't do it though. I cannot.
Because of this stupid 10 kobo.
Yes, I'll keep giving you that 10 kobo every day to make you happy.
Thing. My friend, go and get married to a rich man to have money. So that we can have money. And not be here talking nonsense. Go and cook this.
No, give me the money.
This one.
Give me the money. Give it to you. Since you don't want it, you said it's too small for you now. Just give me. Let me go and keep saving.
Take. Amadionha will finish it today. Take this and go and cook.
Mommy, I'm not marrying anybody. Maybe you should go and marry me yourself because I'm not marrying any old man. Bro.
You see? Instead of going to get money by marrying a rich man, my friend, she's here picking 10 kobo. Very soon, she'll be too old and she'll be Otonakanda and she will come to my house. No, I'll drive her to the streets. She will go to the streets. Let her watch out. As for this one, well, take some drinks. That's the chicken.
Hello, dear. What are you doing?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
You need the bottles?
Yes, ma.
Is that what you do? You pick bottles?
Yes, ma. That's what I do. I pick them and I resell them. That's how I make a living.
How old are you?
I'm 23, ma.
You should be in school. You're young.
I would have loved to go back to school, ma, but we can't afford it. My father doesn't have the money.
And so you do this to make a living, right? It must be very hard.
No, ma, it's not very hard. I'm used to it already. I was working in a construction company, but I got injured, so they relieved me of my duty.
Oh no. Alright, can you do a cleaning job in a house? I have that. Would you be able to take that kind of job up?
Yes, ma. I can.
Sure?
Yes, ma. And I can do that.
Take this card. Okay? I want you to give me a call. Alright? And then come see me. If you're able to come to the house, then I know you're really very serious about resuming work.
I will come. Thank you very much.
No,
God bless you, ma. Thank you.
Get up. And don't worry about your transportation, alright? I'll take care of that once you can make your way to the house.
Thank you, ma. I will come.
Alright.
And I will call you, ma.
No problem. Take this.
Thank you.
Okay, alright. Take care, okay?
Thank you, ma.
How is this? Are you scared?
No.
Okay, sit down. I'm very happy that you were able to come. That shows you really want to work. A lot of girls your age will not want to do this kind of job. They will rather just be gallivanting the streets.
life is probably fair to anyone who wouldn't want to take up a job opportunity.
You know, there was something about you when I saw you yesterday. I was wondering whether I had met you somewhere before, so I couldn't resist helping out.
Thank you so much, Ma.
It's fine.
You're such a nice person.
It's fine.
You're God sent.
All right, so let's get straight to the point. I'm going to tell you what I will call the rules of the job, just to reiterate you with what I think you should do. Okay? First and foremost, I love to work in a very cordial, peaceful environment. Okay? No bickering, no murmuring, no complaining. Peaceful, cordial, so that we will understand each other better. Does that work for you?
Not a problem, Ma.
Not a problem. Good. Now, it's very important that everywhere is very clean. Cleanliness is of extreme importance. So you make sure that the whole house is spick and span. Okay? Very important. Then again, I would love you to always tell me the truth. If at any time you make a mistake, maybe you broke a plate mistakenly or something happened, do not hesitate to come to me immediately. We will find a way to put heads together and sort it out. Okay?
Okay, Ma.
Is that okay?
I promise to do my best and to be careful too.
Sure. I believe you'll be able to get by. Okay, that's it for that. And then I'm going to ask you some very personal questions right now. Are you married?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you live with someone?
Yes, I live with my father.
Oh, all right. That's good enough. So would you be able to live in here to work? I think that'll make it a lot easier for you transportation-wise.
I'm sorry, Ma, but I can't. My father won't allow me. But I promise to be here as early as possible.
I was wondering why he wouldn't allow you. You're an adult.
My father is very strict. But like I said, Ma, I promise to be as punctual as you want me to.
It's okay. And at any point, if you need any kind of help, do not hesitate, all right, to ask me, just to make the job a lot easier for you.
Thank you so much, Ma.
It's fine.
Thank
it's fine.
you
For
your
nothing.
kindness.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
I do not take it for granted.
It's okay. Oh no, don't do that. Sit. No. Get up. I know. Fine. Sit down, please. So the next thing, I'm going to take you around the house, just on a little tour, to show you where everything is, so you'll know how to navigate. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so come with me. Okay? Follow me.
Oh, this is here again. You can't allow me sleep. Why must you disturb my afternoon rest? After going to this job and come, can't I rest? What is the problem?
I'm sorry, Papa. I just wanted to...
To do what? What do you want?
Papa, I want to tell you that I got a job offer from a very nice woman today. She offered me the job of a housekeeper in her house.
Sarah. So you have moved from Olushu to Dinagari Nanyasi. Kegali. That is what she wants to turn you into now. Of course, you've already started. Keep sharing.
Papa, why would you even say that? You know I would never do a thing like that. She saw me when I was picking bottles and she was kind enough to offer me a job. A decent job.
Absolutely. Kind. Decent. By the way, what does this woman do and where does she live?
She's I think a nurse or a doctor. I'm not very sure. But she's a widow.
She will just use you to make money. But it's okay, I really don't care. You can go to where you want to go, do what you want to do. It's actually your business.
Papa, she even offered me an accommodation. But I told her I can't leave my father all by himself.
Now listen, I'm not interested in where you go, how you go, what to do. Since she has now employed you to do those jobs for her and bring in money, yeah, you go ahead. It fits you people. Just take your custody and get out of here. Let me continue my sleep. Come here, custody and leave here. Let me have some rest. My body is really aching. Oh! Let me not dream of the devil.
Papa. Papa, I'm ready to go.
Sarah, I have some clothes at the back of the house. Just help me wash them right now. Wash them well, eh?
Papa, I already washed them last night.
Okay, you know, I was dreaming last night, even up to this morning, about beans. I just want to eat beans, so just go cook it for me, and then just go now.
Papa, how do you want me to start cooking beans this morning? Do you want me to... Papa, I made rice. Please manage it. I can't start cooking beans now.
Yeah, you made rice?
Yes, Papa.
Okay. Go and sweep the compound. It's dirty. The whole place is dirty.
Papa, I haven't even gone outside. I swept it this morning. I woke up very early and I swept it. Everywhere is neat.
The toilet. You haven't washed the toilet. It's our turn. Go and wash the toilet.
Papa, it's not our turn. It's Mama Buka's turn. I washed it last time now. Papa, see, I've done every other thing. Please, let me just go. I don't want to be late on my first day. Papa, please, I'll see you when I come back.
How did she know about all these things to do them? I couldn't even stop her from going for this nonsense walk. I must find another way. She won't go tomorrow. She won't go.
You're reading?
I'm sorry, Ma. I didn't mean to be distracted.
No, it's fine. But you can finish your cleaning and then you go to your books and read. Let me see what you're reading.
I'm so sorry. Just that I had borrowed that book from someone, but it took it back before I could even finish it.
Wow. I don't know you read tech books.
I try. I'm really interested in tech, so I try to read every tech-related books I lay my hand on.
Wow. I am actually surprised. I know you're knowledgeable in some things, but tech? You know, in this part of the world, I hardly see young ladies your age who are into tech.
I'm sure there are other women who are interested in tech too.
Well, I haven't seen them. What's your study background?
I couldn't further my education after I finished my SSCE because my father couldn't afford it.
Oh, don't worry, that's not a problem. I'm sure you'll be able to take it from here, okay? So now talking of tech, do you have a phone?
Yes, ma.
Okay. So where you put your phone?
Sorry, I was just busy.
You do not have a smartphone, do you?
I know.
I'm going to give you a smartphone that I have that I'm not really using. You can even do online courses that will help you.
Sorry, ma. Oh my God. I'm sorry,
It's fine. Oh no,
so
don't
much.
do
God
that. I keep
bless
telling you,
you.
don't do that. Get up. Come on now.
It's just let me know. Thank you.
Listen, Sarah, I have told you that I am here for you and I'm going to support you as much as I can. Okay? Good. So, take this. Finish your cleaning and then you can have all the time in the world to read your book. Is that okay?
Thank you so much, Ma. Thank you. God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you, Ma.
It's fine. Come here. All right.
Oh my God. I've been looking for this. Ma, dinner is ready. Ma, are you okay?
Fine.
No, you don't look fine. You're crying.
I'll be okay.
Ma, please, what is the problem?
I just remembered my daughter.
So sorry. Do you want to talk about her? To help comfort you when you talk about good memories.
She passed 7 years ago.
Oh.
She was so vibrant. So full of life. Sometimes I feel it's not fair.
So sorry, Ma. I'm so sorry. I can't say I know how you feel right now, but I know one thing for sure. I know that she would not be happy to see you like this. I know she would want you to move on. She would want you to remember the happy memories you both shared together and find joy in it. She would want you to be happy.
Thank you. Please, would you please stay the night? I wouldn't really want to be alone.
Yes, I will sleep over and I will leave in the morning.
Thank you.
Welcome, Ma.
I really appreciate this.
It's fine, Ma. Let me go and set the table.
This is Obanje. Eh? Why are you still in bed? Eh? What is that? Why are you still in bed?
I'm not feeling well.
You're not feeling well. Every time you're not feeling well. You're not feeling well. This job you've got now, you are not feeling well. You have carried your Obanje and you're turning it around. Eh? Is that what you're doing?
Papa, please. Please.
Please what?
I am in so much pain. I'm in so much
My friend, stop being late. Go to work. I don't have money to feed you.
Hello, Ma. Ma, I'm so sorry I won't be able to come to work today. I'm having serious cramps.
You see, that is what following a shower will cause. You see yourself? Oh, she may even have used you for ritual. This is a sign of ritual. You see it? And I've been warning you.
Sarah, it's okay. It's okay, all right? I know. It's okay. You will be fine.
She will be fine. She will be fine. You have taken her to do abortion. And it must be quack. Quack abortion. See her, she's dying.
It's okay, Sarah. I will take you to the hospital. Everything will be sorted out. Do you understand? I didn't see you at work for 3 days and I needed to come know how you're doing.
You haven't seen her for 3 days to do a shower work for you. See her. Take her and go and treat her. You are killing her. You are
Mr. Jacob, you have to calm down.
It's a ritual that you have done with her.
This will be sorted out, okay? It's okay. It's okay, just calm down. You have to put yourself together so I'll be able to move you from here. It's okay. Let's get up and let me take you to the... Sit up. Sit up. Sit down. You have to move inside and lie down, okay? Easy. Okay, good. Okay, are you okay? Wait. Okay, put your head. You know that this test result here, this result is saying that you have urinary tract infection and yeast infection. And these infections can come from public toilets, exposure to an unclean environment, generally lack of good hygiene.
We use a public toilet, and no matter how you try to keep it clean, other users will always keep it dirty. And sometimes I use rags as sanitary towel. I guess that's where the infection is from.
What do you mean rags as sanitary towels? I don't get that.
But pads were really expensive. And at that time I was out of job. So I couldn't afford it.
And your father, he couldn't get you sanitary towels? Oh my goodness. This is outrageous. And you know, these infections are no jokes. Honestly. If they are not treated properly, if they keep reoccurring, they could affect your kidneys, they could affect other vital organs in the body. It's not... Listen, this is not right at all.
I'm going to die.
Oh no, of course not, you're not going to die. I'm here now, all right? You're going to be well taken care of and then treated, and you will be okay. But I'm just wondering why any father would treat his daughter like this. You're such a wonderful child. And every parent who has you as a child should be excited and should be ready to take very good care of you.
Thank you so much.
Thank God.
Thank you for taking care of me. God will bless you.
Amen.
I don't know what I have done to deserve this kindness, but God will keep blessing you, Ma.
Amen. You don't need to do anything to deserve any kindness. You're just a wonderful child. And don't worry, everything will be fine. Okay? You're going to be well. All you need to do is just rest, eat, and then take your medications as they come. You will be good. Okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Ma,
Dear.
please, do you need me to do anything for you?
No. Sit down. I don't even know why you got up. You're not feeling well yet. Sit. You're not feeling well yet, okay? And I need you to be strong before you do anything.
Ma, I can actually do anything you want me to.
No, not at all. In fact, I'm going to go get something for us to eat so that you can even take your medication. Is that okay?
You want to go and make me
Yes,
food?
yes, to make something. I was the one doing all this work ever before you came here. So, you will sit down. I will go get you something to eat. After that, you take your medication.
I'm sorry, Ma, but I can't just stay around and allow you do my job.
No, you're not doing your job. You're not feeling well. I need you to be strong and healthy before you can even get back to work.
Thank you, Ma.
It's fine. Meanwhile, I actually bought you some clothes and some sanitary wares. They're in my bedroom, so after you can come pick them up.
For me?
Yes, for you.
Hi, Auntie, this is too much now. This is not too much.
How?
Thank you so much.
Sarah, no,
God will bless
I don't know why
you.
you keep kneeling
God
down at
will
every
bless
slightest
you.
provocation. Come
Bless
on.
you.
It's fine.
You don't know what this means to me.
Get up. It's fine. Okay? I am here for you. Alright? And I will always support you. Now sit down. Let me go make us food to eat and you will take your medication.
I can still assist, Ma.
Nope. Sit. I'll go get us something to eat. After that, you take your meds. I'm coming right back.
Thank you, Papa, for not throwing me out when Mama died. I know that you've cared for me since I was a child. I thank you for everything. For giving me a roof over my head. I'm grateful.
Have you finished? Have you finished your speech? I clap for you. Listen. Since you were born, you were a misfortune to me. You brought bad luck to me. Eh? Your mother died as soon as she gave birth to you. I had wanted a son. I craved for a son so that they will respect me in our community. So that when I die, my property will not go that way. I wanted a boy and she gave it to me. Piece of furniture.
I am your child, Papa. How can you call me a piece of furniture? I am your flesh and blood. Now that you've thrown me out, Papa, where do you want me to go to?
Go to anywhere. You can go and stay under the bridge. You can go to a tree. You can even climb the top of a tree. Go and stay where you care to stay. It is your business. Flesh and blood. Where is the flesh? Where is the blood? Get out of here, my friend. Get out. It's because of you I'm receiving insults left, right, and center. I wish I had a son. Oh! Jacob Okoro. Hey, me lagi here. Hey, see your world. See your world. Empty shell.
What are you doing here?
Have you banned me from coming to your house?
This is my house. I decide who comes or goes.
You see, I'm not here to exchange words with a woman that bends down to urinate. I came to discuss important things. Listen, if you don't want that, I can get the police to arrest you for kidnapping my daughter.
Are you joking right now? Are you serious?
I told you I'm not here to exchange words. Are we going to talk or not?
What are you going to do? May I ask you? What exactly will get me arrested? You must be having a difficult time in the comedy industry, honestly. That will be the biggest joke of the century.
I came here for something very important. Can we discuss it?
Come inside if you're ready to have a civil conversation.
Now, I'm taking Sarah home. Something came up. She has to get married, otherwise I'll lose everything.
The last time I checked, I didn't know you had a daughter. I thought you left her for dead.
Now listen, that's not what I came here for. I didn't come here to banter words. Just give me the girl. Let me start going home and there'll be no trouble. Except you don't want to do that, I will.
Okay. What will you do? Beat me up? In my own house?
Is that what you want?
No, I'm asking what you will do. Are you going to hit me? Sarah in question is an adult. She has a right to be wherever she chooses to be. I don't have rights over that.
Sarah! 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 Wherever you're hiding, come down here or I'll bring down the ghost to
Mr. Jacob, will you stop raising your voice in my house? You're constituting some kind of nuisance.
Sarah! Sarah! Where is Sarah? Where are you?
Will you stop shouting?
Sarah!
What is wrong with you? Why are you raising your voice in my house?
Look, woman, you don't even know who I am.
Papa, just leave me alone. Go. I don't want to go anywhere with you. Leave me.
Sarah, you cannot disobey me because you're in the house of this retired Ashawu. You're here. That's why you can disobey me. By the time I finish dealing with you, they will look for you, they won't find you. Me? You're not afraid?
I am obviously better off here.
Stay there! Are you sick in the head? Lay a finger on her and I'm going to get you arrested. I will go to hell and high waters and make sure you rot in there.
Yeah, listen, good. 2 days. I'll give you 2 days to bring her back to me. Or I will bring down rain, brimstone, fire.
Make it 1.5 days.
You will see the face of Amadeo.
Invite Shopono. Come and stop scattering my house, silly. Are you crazy? You think I'm joking with you? Get out of my house. Nonsense. Don't worry yourself, relax. Rubbish. What? Relax. Sit down here. Nothing will happen to you. Relax. No, 1,000 times no. Sit down here. He cannot do anything. He's just making empty threats. Men like him are just weightless threat makers. I can handle this. You have no clue where I'm coming from. Rubbish. So, you've not told me your favorite things, like your favorite color, your favorite food, just your favorite stuff.
I don't think I have any favorite thing.
Are you serious?
I'm grateful for everything I have.
I know, but you should have a favorite color. The color that you like most.
I think I like purple.
Okay, so purple is your favorite color. Now, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite thing? Games, things you like doing, interests.
Okay, I think I eat everything. I eat everything, but I like beans and plantains.
Good, that's your favorite food. So, which one is your favorite music?
I enjoy jazz music.
Really? That's my son's favorite music. Yes, and you know what? I've noticed that I think both of you have a few things in common.
They will get along just fine.
Oh, sure. I believe you're going to.
I wish I could call you Mom.
Of course you can call me Mom. Right here and now. You can, my dear. Listen. I will protect you. I will heal you. And I will provide for you. I'll make sure that you're fine. Okay?
Yes, come here. It's fine, okay? Everything will be fine, okay? Thank you so much for being so kind. Thank you for being a wonderful angel.
Where's your phone? Hello? Who is this? Oh, you're wrong. What? Oh my god, I'm on my way. I'm coming to the house now. Thank you. What happened? Ma, please, I have to go to the house. The neighbor just said my dad's not. And he has been unresponsive. Please, let me go to the house and take care of him. Really? Oh, I should be fine. Please, can I take some days off to take care of my family?
Oh, sure you can. You can. Are you okay? Okay, you know what? I'll just send some money to you, okay? I'll transfer some money to you.
I'm sorry, I'm leaving the middle.
It's fine, it's fine. It's fine, just run along, okay? I do not believe that man was just ranting. I don't believe that man had a heart attack. I don't believe that bullshit. Papa? Papa?
What happened? Are you okay?
I visited. I visited at the factory.
Sorry. How now? How? Have you had anything? Did they give you any medication? Were you taken to the hospital or something?
No, just my neighbor that gave me some medicine. Hospital, no. Can't even afford that.
Oh, you know what? I'll just take you to the hospital because obviously you need a proper medication.
No.
Well, let me stock up the house too.
No, we don't need the hospital. We don't need hospital. I think it's stress, you know. At this age, I'm still working in the...
Sorry.
Thank you. I didn't even know you will come. Thank you.
But why won't I come? You're still my father and I still love you. Or let's say I do not want to lose another parent. Let me go and get you food. Then I'll take you to the chemist. Sorry. Please, just... I'm coming.
He walks like Jacob, I don't know how you do it. You're terrible. You're very terrible, man, Jacob. Thank you, my daughter. If you hadn't come, maybe I would have died.
Papa, God forbid. Please don't say that. You know there's no way I will not come to take care of you. You're my father, and I love you regardless.
My daughter, you know, you're like your mother. You look exactly like her.
It's so sad that I didn't get to meet her.
You know, when you were born, she died. Hey! I was devastated. I didn't know whether to bring up the child or to grieve. But I decided to bring you up. I suffered. You know, some neighbors around there, they told me to give you up for adoption at the motherless baby shop. I said, no, I will bring up my child. I slaved to bring you up.
I'm so sorry for being a burden to you.
No, my daughter, it's not even that. The problem is that you know that my brother Magnus, he has 10 sons. He's telling me that I have no son, that his sons will inherit my lands. Can you imagine?
But Papa,
Mm.
you should have just remarried. Why didn't you remarry?
My dear, a widower, remarrying. I was struggling to find food to eat. What's about remarrying? My daughter, I want you to marry. You see, you marry, you give birth to sons. These sons will inherit my property. Do you want my brother and his sons to inherit all of them? Marry now.
Papa, we marry at the right time.
Okay, my daughter, see, if you don't want to marry, you know what to do? Go and get pregnant. Bring back the boys, and they will inherit the lands. That's it.
Papa, can you even
think about it? Just think about it. I didn't say. Just think. You can help me keep the plate. Think about it. Think. Yeah.
Who is there? Hello, dear.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yes,
Are you sure? So did you see your dad?
Yes, I did.
How did it go?
Ma,
Yes.
please, I would like to ask you something.
Okay.
I promise I do not mean to burden you with my personal issues. I'm just really confused and I need an advice.
Sarah, remember that I told you that you can always talk to me. That I am here for you. You remember? So, let's hear it.
My father has presented me with 2 options.
Okay.
It's either I get married to an old man or I give him a son from any man of my choice.
Okay. What did you say to him?
I haven't said anything. I couldn't even talk. I don't know what to say, Ma.
What if you end up having a baby girl? Are you ready to be a single mother? Are you willing to rush into marriage just like that, unprepared?
It's just that I am confused. My father has totally changed. He wasn't the same man the whole time I was staying with him. My father has totally changed. I just don't...
Your father is manipulating you. Yes. Remember that your dad fell ill immediately after he left here, after threatening fire and brimstone. He just wants to use you to get all his lands back. He wants to use you to get what he wants.
So you think my father is faking his illness?
1,000 times yes. He is. There is nothing wrong with him.
No.
My dear, you're very naive and sentimental, and I do not blame you. You know why? Because he's the only family that you've ever had.
No.
All your life.
He cannot do that, ma. I'm sorry. But my father hates me. I don't think he would go through all that just to be with me, just to be in the same space with me. I don't think he can.
Your dad is a manipulator.
No.
I'm sorry, but that's the truth.
No. 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 He's not faking it. He's not. I am doing everything I am doing, putting myself through all this stress because I love him. I swear if my father is faking this just for his own selfish interest, he will cease to be my father. And I will cut off every tie that connects us.
Sarah, I support you. I support you with every decision that you make. Okay? Do not allow anyone to manipulate you anymore. Listen, your father is not the only family that you have. As long as I'm alive, I will remain your family. This place remains home for you. Do you understand? It's okay. Come here. It's okay.
Papa, sorry.
Thank you. The doctor said I need more medicines, eh?
Papa, that is not what the doctor said. He said the drugs are enough. I suggest you take some more rest. But you're supposed to be getting better by now.
What about the fruits and vegetables you said I should buy?
I don't have any money again. No. I've exhausted everything I have on you. The little I have now, I'm just managing it to cook something for us to eat.
Why don't you ask your madam to help?
Papa, I can't now. That would be too much. You know, she has been very helpful. She's even the one that cleared your medical bills. So,
But she loves you, doesn't she? She does now. She will help you.
Papa, that would be me taking advantage of her now. I can't. Let me try and see if she can help. Sorry. Hello, ma. Good afternoon, ma. He's fine, no. I don't know. He's not getting any better. And I've exhausted all the money I have on his medication. Yes, ma. I just want to ask for financial assistance, ma. I know you've been helping us, but please, if I can get some more money, just let me. Huh? You said 150,000. Say, oh my God, 150,000, ma. Ah, and I didn't even have to ask.
Thank you so much, ma. God will bless you. God will keep blessing you and your family. You will never lack in Jesus' name. Amen. Hey, Papa. But she sent us money. I don't even know. I got it.
Send it into my account now.
Huh?
Send it into my account immediately.
Papa, why do I have to send it to your account? I mean, I should restock the house and buy the things we need.
And I want to restock the house now. We restock the house. Put it in my account now.
Papa, I don't need to put it in your account. I will go to the market and buy the things we need. You are still sick. Sorry, I'll send it to your account. Jesus. God. This is not the drugs I've been spending money on. It is that cough that will choke you there. Papa, how can you be this wicked? How can you be this wicked? What is this? Papa, is this not the same drugs I've been wasting money on? Christ. You think I gave you the benefit of doubt, yet you've proven how wicked you can be.
Look, you can't talk to me like that, you know that.
Oh, really? Papa, what did I ever do to you? What have I ever done to you? I thought I had gotten a little sincerity from you. Papa, all I wanted was a little conviction that you do not hate me that much. I just wanted you to love me. Even if it means small. Is that too much to ask of my father?
If you just stick to my plan, you don't need to have some space in my heart. You take it. You'll be happy, I'll be happy.
I am done. This whole thing, this is the deal breaker. I am done. I will never set my eyes on you again. And please do not come anywhere close to me, because this wickedness of yours, I am done. And Baba, I promise you, God does not sleep. And Kama will meet you soon.
Come back here. Come back here. Come back here, Sarah. See, Ekwensu. She has destroyed my plan. How are we going to get out of this situation?
I cannot believe that you're not eating because of a man who I'm sure would have eaten like 5 times today.
He deceived. Mom, I feel so stupid. I feel so stupid for believing him. I gave him all my money, including the one you sent to me. Why? Why does he hate me so much? Why does he hate me so much? What have I done?
You know, the fact is that your dad is stuck in the past. He is. He's in a place where he does not believe that women mean anything or that they will be able to amount to anything. He does not understand that women are already doing wonders all over the world. And you, my darling, you will be among those women who will someday, in the nearest future, do wonders in this world.
I just pray for a miracle. I pray that something can just happen.
I just want to pursue my dream. Make something out of my life. Prove to my dad that a girl child is not useless. Mommy, I am not useless.
You are not useless, of course. You're not.
I'm not.
Listen to me, you're a genius. You have potentials. And you're going to have all the opportunity in the world to achieve everything that you need to achieve. I have plans underway to, for you to join my son in Canada. Yes. We're putting things together. And when he's done with all the homework, then you will be able to travel to join him.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Did you say Canada?
Yes,
Say
Canada.
Canada? Me? How? How? Ow, ow, ow.
Stop feeling.
Ow. What did I ever do? Why do you love me so much? How God will bless you, man.
Amen.
God will bless you.
Come on,
God will not
stop
stop
this.
blessing you. God will bless you. God will bless
You're
you.
making me tear up
Oh,
right
God.
now. Don't do this,
How?
please.
I'll go to
Calm
Canada.
down. Yes, you
I'll
will.
go to Canada.
Get up. Sit down.
I'll go to Canada. Oh, God will bless you. God will keep blessing you. I know you are blessed already. But God will not stop blessing you. God will keep blessing you and your son. In Jesus' name.
Calm down. He's trying to get your admission. So we're doing all the homework. Once the application goes through and they send the documents, then he will send the forms here for you to fill.
It is sealed. I'm sorry. I'm going to Canada.
Yes, don't worry. You're going to go to Canada. You know he's already established in tech. So you will just join him and then he will just put you through. Alright? All you need to do is make the most use of this opportunity that you have. I see great potentials in you. And if I do not help you, then there is no difference between me and your dad. Alright? So now, eat your food. In your eyes. Eat your food. It's tasty though. Come on now.
So, the Ashawo madam has chased you back, eh? Look, I have no room for you here. I am not going to welcome you back. So you better go back to Ashawo madam. Oh, for your information, I'm not refunding any money to her or to you. Do you hear?
Papa, I'm not here to beg you to take me back as your daughter.
So why are you here?
Or to allow me live with you. And I'm not asking you to refund any money that you have taken.
So why are you here?
I'm going to Canada.
You haven't stopped dreaming, eh? You keep dreaming.
Well, Mrs. Emma has promised to sponsor my education in Canada. I leave tomorrow.
Oh, that's good. You are going to establish your Ashawo branch there. Here is more lucrative.
You know, Papa, I've not actually come for you to wish me well because you have never done that. And I'm not here to rub it off on your face. But I'm only here to tell you because I still consider you my father. And I think you should know that something good is finally happening to me. A girl child. A female. I am going out there to make something good out of my life. I am not going to prove you wrong. But I'm going to prove to myself that I am worthy of anything good. I am going there to work hard. Now finally achieve my dreams. And not just sit and dream. I am finally going to achieve them. So, Papa, have a nice life, Papa.
Bye-bye. Shut that door for me when you leave. She's going to Canada to continue her shower work. I hear it's more lucrative there.
Mr. Jacob.
Who is that? Who's that?
Mr. Jacob, it's me. Good evening. I came to see you. I brought a parcel from your daughter, Sarah. I said I brought a parcel for you from your daughter, Sarah, in Canada. You can't hear me? What is going on? Mr. Jacob, this is a parcel for you from your daughter, Sarah.
Who is Sarah?
Don't you think you're too young for memory loss, dementia?
Listen, I don't want anything from her. I don't want any Ashawo parcel from her. Listen to me. I have been living here like this since she left. I'm happy. I'm okay. You can see. I'm okay.
You amuse me. But you know, it's actually Sarah that I blame. If I were Sarah, I would have left you and gone ahead with my life a long time ago. I won't give a hoot about this nonsense that you're doing. A child that you literally dehumanized. She's still thinking of you, still showing love, still sending you things, and you're here talking nonsense. If you like, collect the parcel. If you like, don't collect it. I have brought it to you. And okay. This is it.
It's okay, don't worry. Let me bring a chair. So you can sit down and lecture me on how to be a good person. Come here.
This is your parcel. If you like, take it. If you like, do not take it.
No, wait,
I've delivered the message.
Wait, I'm
Nonsense. Coming. I don't blame you. It's Sarah's fault. Rubbish.
Look at her. A child that left the father 4 years ago did not ask about the father. And now you carry your two left legs to come here to lecture me. Let me see you again. I will cut you like Badagry fish and fry you. Passo. The Queens.
It's so beautiful out there, Mom. I met different people from different parts of life. Like, they were so nice. Seriously, Mommy, you would never imagine. You need to leave this country.
All right, so tell me everything. Let me hear about it.
I had fun.
Okay.
It was amazing, you know. And if I tell you that there is no discrimination there, I mean, everyone is respected equally. I had the same opportunity as my male counterparts. Nothing like, oh, you're a girl, you're a boy, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't do that. Just be intelligent enough to get things done, and you're good to go.
I knew that if you traveled, it was going to shape you up. And I'm so happy you did.
I did.
I'm so proud of you, you know.
Thank you so much, Mommy.
Nothing. So, what's next?
Tech.
Okay.
You know, I really had to study very hard. Very, very hard to pass my exams. And now I think I'm ready to take over the tech world.
Tell me about it. So what are your plans?
Have my own tech company. But Mom, most importantly, I wish to open a foundation for women and children.
Wow.
To enable and encourage them.
Aren't you the purest soul ever?
And aren't you the purest, sweetest mother?
All right, that's great. So my son, did he treat you well?
Of course he did.
Okay.
Mom, he was... Oh my God.
I'm listening.
He was so amazing. You know, he looked out for me in several ways. And he taught me everything I know about tech. He was like a brother I never had. Mom, you raised a king. That's all I can say.
He's a wonderful gentleman, kind-hearted gentleman.
Yes.
Okay, so now that you're returned here, I was actually very surprised that you returned. I thought you were just going to stay there and just move on with life. But now that you are here, so just go ahead and take on your world. The sky is actually your starting point. There's so much you can achieve in life if you're determined to. So this is it. The ball is in your court.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, darling.
I don't know how I could have achieved any of this without you.
Thank God.
I love you so much, Mom.
I love you more, darling. Come here. It's okay, my darling. I'm happy for you.
Thank you so much, Mom.
Thank God. You're looking very pretty.
What are you doing here?
Is that the way to address a father you have not seen for so many years, Sarah?
If you do not start talking now, I promise you I will call the security on you. Who let you into my office?
The security that let me in because of your father?
You are not my father!
Oh, Sarah, stop that nonsense. I told you before you went to Canada that no matter how big you become, no matter how high you fly, you still belong to a man. And that man is me.
You know, Mr. Jacob, you are the most delusional person I have ever come across in this world. I mean, look at you. Do you think you can threaten me? I mean, do I look like that little, naive, timid girl you used to oppress? I'm sorry, you better take a good look at me. I am not the old Sarah you used to know.
Sarah, you know, no matter how high you fly, you still come down. I am still your father. No matter how many people that surround you that they want to adopt you, I'm still your father.
So what do you want, Mr. Jacob?
Exactly. I came here for a purpose. You see, Sarah, I need to have a share in your achievements. In fact, I am supposed to manage your achievements because you are unmarried.
Oh, so where did you get that from? I mean, you walk into my office to make demands? Mr. Jacob, you never as little as liked me. You've never treated me right. All my life, I have begged you, my biological father, to love me, but you never did. Even the day I came to tell you that I was traveling to Canada, what did you say? That I was going to open a branch of whatever you know how to pronounce in Canada, right? And now all of a sudden, you've grown balls. You come in here making demands. Did I give you something you never supported?
Sarah, that was then, not now.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
So, I want a share in the achievements as your father.
As whose father?
Your father.
You know, I'll be the first to break that stupid entitlement you have.
See, there's still laws in Nigeria, even if they're customary, that makes me as a parent entitled to what you have. Yes.
Laws.
Whether I treated you badly or not.
Ah, laws, right? Then watch me break that law. I am not giving you a dime. Read my lips. Now, please leave my office. I'm a very busy woman. Leave.
Yes.
What is it, Mr. Jacob? What is your problem?
Listen, everybody. I am Sarah's father. You see me, I'm her father. She owes me her father. Which child does not recognize the rights of the father? Tell me, in this country.
Which father are you talking about? A father that abandoned her and left her for almost dead?
Shut up.
Okay, now she has become your daughter because she just came in from Canada, right?
Shut up, you shall equal fame. I bring down a mother on your head. Now listen, this woman you see here is the one that taught her to disrespect me. Eh? Can you imagine? Don't I have right as a father? I gave birth from my loins. I gave birth to this child from my loins. And this woman doesn't want me to earn. Can you imagine? Whatever you taught her, go and unteach her. Let her unlearn. Let her understand that the culture...
Mr. Jacob, why are you so shameless? What exactly is the problem with you? Yes. Why are you so shameless? What's the problem with you?
Get out of my way.
Come and barge in. I dare you to barge in. I dare you. Come, pass here and barge in. If you say your name is Mr. Jacob, walk through here. Let me see you walk through here. If you like, hit your head on the ground 10 times. I barge you to come and pass. Let me see. Pass. Let me see. What is the problem with you? A child you abandoned totally. In fact, you left her for dead, and you're here making noise.
I will kill this woman.
She does not owe you anything, and you will not kill anybody.
You will see. Get out of my way now.
Into your house?
Get out of my way now.
I will charge you for trespassing. I will send you to court. Nonsense.
Sarah.
Mr. Jacob.
This is your father. Report it.
Have you no iota of shame in you? Mom, what is wrong with this man?
I don't know.
You people, can you see? Can you see? She is calling me Mr. Jacob.
That's your name.
And I am her father.
You are not my father. What is your problem? You lost me years ago, and right now, she is my mother. What is wrong with you? Please, can you just leave us alone?
Sarah.
Leave this property.
Sarah, because of this shameless Ashawo that is retired, that you are insulting your father? Sarah, I have benefits as a father. I have come to claim my benefits.
Mr. Jacob, I assure you that if you do not leave this property, I will sue you for harassment and trespassing.
Oh,
Trust
sue me?
me.
Supreme Court. Oh, yeah, go to the Supreme Court. Let me know whether they will recognize
Okay, just stand
me
there.
as
Stand there. Keep
Sue me in the Supreme Court.
Hello,
Don't do that.
DPO.
Who are you calling?
Don't do that. Don't do
Mom,
that.
please.
No, give me the
Who
phone.
are you calling?
Give me the phone. Go back inside.
Oh,
Mr. Jacob,
DPO.
what do you want? Hush, what do you want?
ID.
What do you want, Mr. Jacob?
I do not owe this man a dime, Mom. He
Eh?
doesn't have any right to make demands.
I know.
Christ, why are you even entertaining him?
Take your phone. Take. And don't call anyone. Mr. Jacob, what do you want?
I am her father. I am entitled to benefits, to rights as a father. That is what I want.
I knew that a day like this will come. This is what happens when people who society has completely given up on eventually succeeds.
Listen to me, Emma. I hope you didn't bring me here to insult me or to advise me like a child. All I want is to benefit from being her father. That's all I've been talking about. I'm your father. That's what I am. I'm your father.
Mr. Jacob, whose father? Because it's definitely not me. I worked hard to be where I am today. Of course, with the support of my mother here.
This one, your mom. It shows that you were not brought up well. You can see the mistake. It's okay.
Like I was saying before you rudely interrupted me, Mr. Jacob, I worked hard for every penny I have. Do you think if I hadn't used my time wisely, if I hadn't studied hard, graduated, gotten a good job, do you think I would have the kind of money that I have that you are sitting there demanding of me? What is your problem? What impact have you made in my life? Listen, I do not owe you anything. I owe my success story to my God, myself, and my mother here. I do not owe you anything. And I will certainly not sit here and listen to this foolishness of yours. Mom, I'll be in my room. And when you're done, see yourself when you're done.
You see, when the grasshopper is busy burning, it will say, it can see this here producing oil. I'm producing oil, producing oil.
Mr. Jacob.
Yes.
What you should be doing is trying to make peace with your daughter. Apologize to your daughter than staying here and exhibiting all this madness.
Apologize to that girl. The mere girl. Apologize to her. A girl that squats to urinate. And then you have something else. What are you?
A mere girl. A mere girl. But you want her money so desperately. But she's a mere girl.
So you are the one teaching that girl to insult me, babe? You're the one teaching her to disrespect me. Anyway, what I want is my benefits. But if you people want it the other way, you will get enough bags of trouble. You can be sure.
What are you going to do? There is absolutely nothing that you can do except to stand here and rant and constitute a nuisance. That's all you will be able to do.
Watch your mouth.
I'm going to give you 1 million naira, not because you deserve it, but just so you can just shush away and stop stressing our peace.
Cool down. 1 million. 1 million, is it for 1 day or 1 week? Oh, cool down now.
Have you ever been able to make 1 million naira in your life?
Yeah.
Have you ever eked out 1 million naira?
Cool down. My daughter is making the million. And that is why I gave birth to her. Nigerian why cool down. Wait it.
2 million.
Hello. It's me. It's Jacob. I am calling you. My daughter is rich now. I have a brand new phone. Look, listen. Tell Magnus. Tell him that if he insults me, I will lock him up. Swallow the key. Tell him that I'm not drunk. Tell him that if he and his sons insult me, I will sell them, but buy them in 5 places. Tell him now. Do you hear? This is a rich man talking. Okay, now. Stop talking there. What nonsense. Look, my daughter is rich, and I'm rich. Don't make noise. Yeah? Okay, manager, listen to me. Listen, you are with me. You can keep the money. Keep it. Use the money to fry egg and eat. I'm a rich man now. That is what I want to. What is? What? Shut up! We are talking to a rich man. Why? Why are you shouting? Why are you making noise now? Why? Why are you? Why are you?
What are you doing here? And why do you think it's right to just barge into someone's private property like that?
I want us to talk.
Talk about what? I don't owe you anything. Can't you just leave me alone? Haven't you been paid off?
Sarah. Is it that 2 million that you gave me you think is enough for all the things I've done for you, being your father?
What have you done for me? No, what nonsense are you talking about, Mr. Jacob? What have you done for me? What do you want?
I want a bungalow in town, befitting a man who is the father of a rich girl from abroad. That's what I want.
Oh my God. I hope you're not in any way thinking I'm going to pay for that. Are you even listening to yourself, Mr. Jacob? Are you listening to anything I'm saying? I do not owe you anything. I don't owe you a dime. Just leave me alone. If you're tired of wherever you're living, pack your things, go back to the village where your mates are. That's what you should do. Leave me alone.
Sarah, listen. I've just decided to get a smaller apartment in town. Just to be nice to you, to pity you, instead of the big bungalow in these big places. Just small, small nice house.
Nice house, huh? Okay. When you're done, you go and pay for it.
Is that what you want?
And please, leave my house.
Okay.
Thank you.
Since you want trouble, I will give it to you, poto. I will give it to you in quantum.
Mr. Jacob, please leave. And if you do not leave now, I swear to God, I am going to call the police on you. And I mean every word of it.
Okay. Be prepared. The thunder is coming.
Please leave.
Go and be prepared. Wear a raincoat. Thunder.
Christ. What kind of a human being is this? How did I go wrong? Why has he made it his life job to bring in chaos and unhappiness into my life? What have I done to this man?
You called for me, sir?
Yeah, Mark,
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I want make you teach me how to go live.
Okay, like you want to start going live on Facebook?
On Facebook, yes. I want to go live on Facebook.
Okay.
I want to tell them something.
Okay, so what exactly do you want to be doing, sir?
I want to tell them about somebody.
You want to call someone out like they do on Instagram?
Yes. I want them to know about somebody.
Okay. Okay. But sir, before that, you need to have enough subscription on your phone.
What is that one?
Subscription now, like data.
Oh, enough data, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the way, my daughter is rich now. She bought me this phone from Canada. Okay. How do I get the data now? There's money in it.
Okay. Let me check, sir, if you're... Oh, I think you still have enough. But sir, do you want to call someone out like very dark man?
Yes, I want to tell people the truth about somebody.
Okay. All right, no problem, sir. This is it. If you want to go live, you just try to put the topic of what you're trying to say here.
I want to tell them about the person,
yes,
about something the person is doing to me.
Yes.
That's what I want to do.
So after that, you now press this red button.
Okay.
So you start going live from there. Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait for me. My daughter gave me money, so I'll give you your money.
All right, no problem.
My daughter sent me some money.
Thank you very much.
Okay. See, I want to tell you people about my daughter. She's rich now, but she's dragging me down. She thinks that I'm not important. I am her father. She doesn't want to take me as her father. So, she is putting me down. I want you people to tell me if it is right. See where I'm living. See where I'm living. Is it good? That is what I want you people to tell me. My daughter has money. She went to Canada. She has made money. And she has neglected me as her father. She now wants to use me like a rag. My name is Jacob Okoro. And my daughter's name is Sarah Okoro. What she's doing to me, is it good? Eh? Tell me, is it good? That is why I'm asking you now. Tell me here now whether what I'm doing is right or whether what she's doing is right. Oh yeah, let me hear you people. The thing is simple, oh. The thing is very simple. Yes. Okay. I'm waiting. Ah, I have done it. I have done it. Let me know how she is.
Hello, Mom. What? No, I haven't been online. I've been working. My dad is tarnishing my image on live. Mom, let me call you back, please. Let me just... What is this? I can't break you. You won't let him break you. Hello, guys. Good day, everyone. I know you all know me as Sarah. I know you all know my foundation. And I really appreciate everyone supporting the foundation. So today I want to tell us all how the foundation came about and the sole purpose of it. As you all know, my name is Sarah Okoro. I grew up in the slum, and when I was growing up, my father was never there for me. He made it clear that I was useless because I was a female child. He wished he had a male child. My mother passed away after giving birth to me, and every day of my life, my father never stopped to blame me for it. I spent my entire childhood trying to earn his love, but nothing was ever good enough. I worked very hard in my secondary school, hoping that maybe Just maybe if I succeed, he would finally be proud of me. He would finally see the worth of a girl child. 4 years ago, I got the opportunity to go to Canada and study. It was a chance for me to build a better life for myself, to escape the constant negativity and abuse. I worked hard, harder than I ever have to. I studied day and night, determined to make something out of myself. And I did. I graduated with honors. And today, I have my own tech company. And I even began this foundation. I started this foundation to help a girl child, to help them dream big, and to help them achieve their dreams. I did all this without the support of my father, Mrs. Emma, a wonderful woman, a godsend, the angel that God sent into my life. She became the mother I never had. She supported me, encouraged me, and she believed in me when no one else did. And now look at me. I have finally made a statement. I have finally become someone. Now, why am I telling you this story? I am not doing this to gain sympathy. I am not doing this because I want to rub my success on your faces. I am doing this because I want people to know that I have worked hard to get where I am today. No matter how big your dream is. You know, there's a saying that goes, dream big and send God your bills. No matter how big your dreams are, it is valid. And do not let anyone tell you otherwise. Thank you to everyone who has supported me. Your kindness means the world to me. And to those who are struggling with family difficulties or family relationship, know that you are not alone. And it's okay to prioritize your own well-being. Thank you. Hey, I'm not fine at all. I just really want to talk to you. My father is making life miserable for me. He's been blocking my office doors, making live videos, spreading lies about me. Honestly, I just don't know what to do. No, I can handle it. I promise. I just really wanted to talk. I don't want to bother you with my personal problems. No, I don't want you to come back. I said I'm going to handle it myself. Why are you trying to be stubborn about this? Babe, can you not just do this? Should I tell your mom you're coming back? You're not gonna listen to me, are you? Oh my God. Okay, babe. Love you too. Who's there? Come in.
Well, hello, baby girl. Is it?
Hey.
Yes.
You just really stubborn, so you meant to do it. You said you were coming.
What do you mean? You think I'm going to let that old man stress my baby girl?
Okay.
Hmm?
So what would you do? You want to beat him?
Hey, I did not say that. I am not going to be my father-in-law.
I told you, that man is not your father-in-law. He disowned me, so you do not have a father-in-law.
Babe, relax. All right? People like your father have a special way of being handled. That's why I'm here. I got you. Okay?
Okay. I didn't tell Mom you're coming back. Did you tell her?
No, I wanted to surprise her.
I hope she doesn't flip when she sees you.
Nah, she'll be excited.
Okay.
Mama! Surprise, surprise!
You didn't tell me you were coming home.
Come here, my beautiful mother. Mwah. I wanted to surprise you.
What a pleasant surprise. You should have told me you were coming. I'll just prepare your favorite food.
Oh, don't stress it. I saw everything going on with Sarah and her father online. I just had to rush down.
Tell me about it. I don't understand how a man hates someone so much. And in the same breath, you want her money. I can't relate.
Mom, don't stress it. All right, that's why I'm here. I'll take it up. Okay, I'm here now.
How are you, darling?
I'm fine. I missed you.
Missed you too.
Let me help with the bag.
I've been working out.
This hair, you're supposed to take it off. I keep telling you about it. Take him upstairs and settle him in. Let me fix you something to eat, okay?
Give me my body. I want stress. Don't I always, Mama?
Let me help you with the bag.
She wants it forever.
You know, at this stage, I think we just have to get a restraining order on Mr. Jacob because this is getting very, very messy. There's no other way we can stop him except getting a restraining order.
Yeah, I mean, that could work. That could work. But then again, we also need to factor the kind of country that we're in. You know, Nigerians can get pretty sentimental. Next thing man is not dragging Sarah for putting a restraining order on her father. We just need to be careful.
So are you saying we should just let him keep doing this? Spoiling my image? Ruining my foundation? Trust me, this man will stop at nothing to see my downfall.
Yeah, we'll get down to his level. Babe, trust me. I know exactly what to do. Just let me handle it. Okay?
I mean, I don't want you getting involved in this. I don't want you getting involved in this mess. Just keep getting riskier by the day.
What do you mean? I'm a big boy now. So, I know what I'm doing. Okay? It will be fine. Let me handle this. Alright?
Aww. Okay. I like the way you're looking out for your baby sister. You know, if not for this country where everything works at a snail's slow speed, the adoption process for Sarah should have been through by now. And now that this man is just running crazy all over the whole place, I have to start that process again.
Oh, do you think it will go through this time?
Well, I believe it will go through. It might take time, but it sure will.
Okay. So, we're going with my plan?
The plan that you didn't even let us into.
Mommy, relax. Alright, I've said this 1,000 times. I'll handle it.
Oh,
So calm down. Okay?
okay.
Thank you. You're not supposed to be in my room by this time. What if your mom finds out?
Look, babe, I honestly feel like we need to tell her. Because I'm getting tired of acting like your brother.
Hell no, babe. This is not the right time. Come on. I don't want it to look like I'm betraying her.
Babe, nobody's betraying anybody. Okay, look, we're two adults who fell in love. I mean, yeah, it wasn't part of the plan, and she might be disappointed a bit, but babe, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Babe, listen. What about the adoption? Babe, I don't want to hurt her.
I mean, what? Wait, you're signing me as your brother now? Is that it?
That's not what I mean.
Then what? You don't want to be with me?
No.
What is it?
Babe, you know I want to be with you more than anything. But then again, I don't think this is the right time.
Look, babe, I promise you, my mom will be fine. Okay? And honestly, I feel like we should tell her now before she finds out herself.
No.
Babe.
She can't. You can't tell her now. Look, I don't want it to look like I'm being ungrateful.
Alright, fine. Would wait. Okay?
Okay. Babe, don't you think you should tell me what your plan is with my dad? Come on, I know this man more than you do. Trust me.
No. I don't think I should tell you what my plan is. Honestly, baby, if I tell you, you're just going to talk me out of it.
I will not. Or maybe I will, but still, baby, I think you should tell me. Because I know this man more than you do. A Nigerian man living in Nigeria and a Nigerian man living abroad, they are not the same. My dad is a very, very hard guy. I think you need a heads up to deal with him.
I don't need any heads up to deal with anybody. I promise you, I am fine. Relax, you're worrying yourself too much.
How come you're stubborn a second?
Babe.
Okay, just to you.
Thank you. Now, for the reason I came here. Babe.
Young man, please take your temptation out of my room.
Alright, fine. Just beg. Babe, no.
Go, please. Babe, please go.
Babe, just
I'm not interested. Go.
Yeah, would you at least look at me?
I said I'm not.
Who are you, young man? What do you want here?
My name is Romeo. I am Mrs. Emma's son.
Mrs. Emma's son.
Yes, sir.
I've never been told Mrs. Emma has a son. I've never seen any son there. So what do you want from me?
So I actually came in respect of your daughter. I came to ask for a hand in marriage.
What? First of all, you have done well to remember that she has a father. Because she wouldn't even invite me herself. So,
Yes, sir. That's actually one of the reasons I'm here. The relationship between I and Sarah hasn't really been made public yet. Even my mom doesn't know about it yet. Honestly, I don't think she would approve of it.
well, if your mother won't approve, so why are you here? Why do you think it will work?
So the thing is, I need you and Sarah to reconcile. Because if you don't, Sarah would end up being my sister.
Your sister? How?
Yes, sir.
How?
Also, my mother wants to adopt Sarah, so she can file a restraining order against you. And if you and Sarah don't reconcile, I won't be able to get married to her.
First things first. Where do you live? What do you do?
I run a tech company in Canada, so I live there. I just came home to sort a few things out.
Oh, okay. I can see the connection, the Canada connection. Okay. Okay, but I must commend you, young man. You've done well to have come to do what our culture says. But the other problem now is, you say I should reconcile with Sarah. How do I do that? Where do I begin? Where will I put mouth to start saying it? How?
So I think you need to do some soul searching. I think you should take out time tonight and really think about everything that you put your daughter through. and ask yourself if it was worth it. I think you should think about it hard and judge yourself honestly. That would be a good place to start from. Thank you for your time, sir. I think I'll be taking my leave. Thank you, sir.
How do I start? The thing that is bigger than the cricket has entered the mouth of the cricket. Hey!
So, I spoke to Sarah's father earlier today.
Okay. I guess that's why you called us together. So, tell us, how did it go?
It went well, you know. I mean, from the way our conversation went, I believe he has a lot to think about tonight.
Romeo, can you just go straight to the point and tell us what your plans are?
Oh, no, yeah, yes, I was getting right to it. So, you know, I paid attention to everything you told me about your father, and I came to a conclusion that he's just a frustrated man. You know, he lacks empathy, but he's mostly frustrated and just desperate for a family.
Oh, but he had one. He had one and he threw her away.
Exactly. What does that man even want, for Christ's sake? Why is he acting like he's the only one who has a female child? And how is this world supposed to function without a female child in it? Romeo, are you going to tell us what your plans are? Or should I just go ahead with the restraining order?
No, that won't be necessary. I told him my intentions and I believe it worked.
What are your intentions?
To get married to Sarah.
Marry? How? She is your sister.
Mommy, please, can we just stop that? Alright, she's not my sister. Let's just say things the way they are.
Hold on. Oh, goodness. Is this what has been going on in Canada? You know what? I am not going to have this conversation with you. I don't want to say something that I will eventually regret.
Mom, it's not what you
Don't
think.
even think of lying to me. No.
How can you even say this without informing me first?
If we didn't tell her now, we're never going to tell her. We can't keep hiding like this forever.
We didn't do this, Romeo. You did this. You told her. You didn't even tell me.
Babe, it's better now than later. Alright? She'll be upset for a bit, yeah, but she'll get over it, I promise.
If this doesn't work out, Romeo, I promise you, it's entirely your fault.
Babe, why are you talking like this now? Babe. Babe.
Just leave me alone.
Babe, just look at me. Alright? Come here. Look at me. I love you. The only reason I told her now was so we'll all be on the same page.
And then ruin my relationship with your mom?
Babe, I promise you my mom will be fine. Babe, don't be like this now. Yeah?
I want to be left alone.
Babe. Jesus.
Honestly, Mommy, I just don't understand what you're saying. I don't get how I'm betraying you in any way.
Of course you betrayed me. You betrayed me for 4 whole years. 4 years you were dating a girl that I sent you to take care of.
What's so wrong with it? She was a grown woman when you sent her to me. Why are you talking like you sent me a minor?
My goodness. Is that all you have to say? That you're dating a girl that I call my daughter? Your own sister?
Mommy, stop it. This is what I don't like. She's not my sister. And if I get married to her, she's still going to be your daughter. It's the same thing.
It's never the same thing.
For crying out loud, Mommy. You sent a young, beautiful woman, to Canada to live with me for 4 years. 4 years! What did you think was going to happen? Or did I tell you I wanted to become a priest?
I expected you to get a grip on yourself and be a gentleman.
I mean, just please.
I sent her there to have a better life, to have good education, to experience a different culture, not this.
We lived under the same roof for 4 years. We shared everything. We fell in love. It's as simple as that.
Oh my goodness, this generation. You don't see anything wrong in what just
honestly,
happened?
I don't get why you're being so difficult. We both love each other. I don't know why it is so hard for you to accept that.
It is difficult for me to accept. It is very complicated. That girl has been through so much in the hands of Jacob. I wanted her to be in a safe place. I sent her there to just flip a new page and start afresh. Not this, for God's sake.
Mommy, with all due respect, you're not making any sense to me right now. I don't see how this changes anything.
Jesus Christ.
Mommy, can you stop, please?
You know what? I need to breathe. This is actually a whole lot for me to process right now.
You don't have to. This thing is not that complex. It's not a big deal now. Yeah? Jesus Christ. Talk. Are you still upset with me? I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry for not informing you first before opening my big mouth. I just couldn't hold it in anymore.
Romeo, honestly, I am not mad at you. It's fine. I've been thinking about us. This whole thing. You, me, Mom. It's obvious your mother doesn't want us to be together.
No, she never said that. Alright, she just needs time to process the whole thing and, reprogram her mind to start seeing us as lovers. She never said that. Hey, babe.
I feel so terrible for lying to her.
Come here. Babe, I totally understand how you feel. Okay? But we can't keep hiding our feelings just to please other people. Hey, look at me. Babe, look at me. I love you. Okay? And I know that we're doing the right thing.
I love you. I love you too, Romeo. But
what? Babe, but what?
I don't want to be the ungrateful one. After everything your mother has done for me, I don't want it to seem like everything she has done for me is not enough. That I have to go for her son. I don't want it to look like I'm too desperate to remain in the family.
But I want you to stay in the family. And I'm sure she does too. Babe, no.
Mommy, I'm sorry. We just have to end things. I can't do this. I can't keep hurting her.
Babe, what are you saying now? I thought we could go through this thing together. I thought we were on the same page.
Sorry.
Are you serious?
I'm sorry. I really wish things were different, but I I can't keep hurting your mom. She's been like a mother to me. Romy, I can't stand losing another mom the second time. I'm sorry.
I understand. And I respect your decision. I just wish things didn't have to be like this. I should get going.
What sort of dream is this? What sort of dream is this? What? Hey! 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 Ah! I have wronged this girl. Ah! I have treated her badly. Hey! Oh, a girl or a boy, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I should have loved her like a child. I should have brought her close to my heart. I should have at least given her a little love. Oh, Jacob. No wonder I having these nightmares. You have hurt her. Ah, no. I have wronged her. How do I begin to make amends? How do I fix this? First of all, I should have trained this girl in school. It's not as if I was not earning small money to train her in school. I could have made her feel that I'm her father. Jacob, no. Jacob, you have messed up. Jacob, this is not you. Why would you feel this bad that you keep hurting this girl all the time? It wasn't her. It wasn't her fault. Jacob! Wake up, Jacob. You have to try and fix this. You must fix this. You must. I've thought about everything. I came to apologize.
You. This is another joke of yours, right?
No, Sarah, I have been a bad father to you. I have hurt you. I've done terrible things. I've made mistakes. I am sorry.
Wait, Mr. Jacob, is everything okay? Because this cannot be you. Oh, you're drunk, right?
Sarah, no.
Oh, very still. This is another strategy of yours.
No.
I'm sorry, I don't have any money to give to you.
Sarah, for 3 days, I was thinking hard about all the things I've done. About the bad things I did to you. I should have been a good father to you. I was not. I should have loved you like a daughter. I didn't. And all these, I feel so sorry about. I've come to apologize.
Wait, you're serious? So you come into my life whenever you want and you apologize? And you expect me to forgive you? No, you think, how old do you think I am again? I am a grown woman. I do not need your love. The same love I begged you for years for. I do not need it. No, I don't know. Excuse you, did I ask you to?
I will.
You know what? Go ahead, kneel down.
I will kneel down. Sir.
Kneel down. Because you deserve every wickedness of this world. Rubbish.
My son. My son. Please, I want you to tell her that I'm sorry. I hurt her. I apologize. I'm really sorry. I'm ready to kneel down again.
No, Mr. Jacob, it's not necessary. Okay, it's fine. I'll tell her everything. But I think you should go and come back later. Alright, Sarah just needs space right now. Just give her time. She'll come around.
Please tell her that I love her, will you? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Take care of yourself.
Huh. Where did rain start beating me? How did I do all this? Did I do them with open eye? No. Love your girl children. Love your daughters. Zema, thank you for coming. You and I have never sat like this before. I'm grateful. So what do I do?
Well, my son told me the discussions you both had up until yesterday, and you wanting to ask your daughter to forgive you. And that is why I am here. You know, you really hurt that girl. You did. And the most important thing is, now that you have accepted that you did wrong, you have to go ahead and apologize to her.
But Mrs. Emma,
yes.
How do I do that? I want to be her father again. I have hurt her.
Okay.
I have.
Okay. Now, remember that you went online and you said a lot of terrible things about her. You remember that?
Yes.
So you will go back online and you will, let people know that you're sorry about the things you said, that those things you said were not really true. Your daughter is a hardworking girl that loves you very much and has your interest at heart. All right? You will make them understand that the girl child matters. The girl child is very important in every family. The girl child should be heard. Her voice should be heard. The girl child is very important. So when you have done all of that, just to, redeem her image from all that you said about her initially, then we can take it from there.
Yes, Mrs. Emma, I agree. I agree that the girl child is very important. The girl child is important to the family, to the society, to the community. The girl child is important. I accept. I was wrong. I did the wrong thing. But please, I will do everything you have said. I will. But you also have to help me beg her so that she can forgive me.
Oh, don't bother about that, Mr. Jacob. She will forgive you. Once you can do these things I have enumerated, your daughter will forgive you. I am going to talk to her. She loves you. It's just that she has always loved you. It's just that she was just terribly hot. Yes. Okay? And again, remember that you're not going online to say those things and then ask her for forgiveness just because you need her to forgive you. But she needs to be also convinced that you truly believe that the girl child matters and that her voice should be heard. Again, why don't you try to support her NGO? I believe in second chances. And you know that your daughter is a wonderful girl with a good heart. I'm sure it will not be a challenge for her to forgive you.
If she forgives me, I'll be very happy. But I will do all you have said, Mrs. Emma. Thank you so much for coming. I'm so grateful. Thank you. Let me offer you something.
No. I have to run along. It's getting late, as you can see. But I'm happy I have this conversation with you.
Okay, thank you.
So, let's start out. I believe God will help you, okay?
Thank you.
Take care of yourself, sir.
Thank you.
I'll
so
see
grateful.
more of you.
I'm so grateful, Mrs. Emma.
Right. Okay, no
Thank
problem.
you so
Let me
much.
run.
Please, take care of yourself.
I will.
Thank you.
I will. Take care, sir.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope it works out. Hope it works, sir. Yes. Uh-huh. The land in the village. Uh-huh. That for my sons, yes? Oh, okay, because I don't have sons. You want to take my lands. I want you to listen. Whether I have a son or not, I have a daughter that is equal to sons. And those lands belong to my daughter. And I know, are you listening? She wants to build something, NGO for women. She says it's for women empowerment. I'm giving her those lands for women empowerment. I don't want you to near those lands. Otherwise, I will call down Madam to finish you. Look, I'm pouring a drink on the ground. You might not see it, but I've done it. If you near those lands, what happens to you is not my problem. Are you listening? Whether I have sons, so I don't have sons, so I have a daughter that is equal to sons, and I'm going to give her my lands. Kwenano, now get off my phone before I get angry. Get off my phone. I think I should go live. I should go live now so that people will know that I have changed. Okay, we set it. My people, I am going live now. I want to use this opportunity to apologize to my daughter. You see, all the things I said about her, they were lies, so they were not true. I was saying them because I didn't know what I was doing. See, the truth is my daughter is a very good lady. She is a beautiful lady. She is very useful. You see, that time I was thinking like I was thinking like a foolish person. My daughter is equal to many, many, many sons that I don't have. I was stupid because my wife died while giving birth to her. So I wanted a son. But now, I don't even need sons anymore. I don't see any son that will be equal to my daughter. So I want to apologize to my daughter for all the bad things I did to her. I am sorry. Very sorry. All the things I was telling you before, I'm no longer saying them. Please. I want my daughter to forgive me. And I want you people to forgive me for the things I did. They were not good. If you're planning to do the kind of things I did, don't. Your daughter is equal to your son. Train your daughter too. I didn't train mine. I was stupid. That is why I'm going live now, like I used to do. Thank you so much. Now that I have done this, I think I'm happy. I will now apologize to her face to face. Let us drink to my change of heart. Oh. Am I kidding myself? For 4 years, I have not grown. Look at where I live. It's not that I don't make money. I should have had a maid. There's no maid. Nobody is living with me. I wanted a son. So where are the sons? Look at even what I'm wearing. I can't even change clothes I wear. I am still harboring wickedness, evil in my heart against against my daughter. When I have a daughter who is progressing, who is the best girl anybody would want to have. Kind, beautiful, educated, industrious, hardworking. And I pushed her away. So have I grown? What have I really achieved with my wanting a boy? Nothing. A shade of myself. I will go and make up with that girl. I have to beg her. Even if it means kneeling down for her. I don't mind. I have to swallow my pride now. So that I can have peace. This wickedness, this hardness, this harshness, I must do away with it. I will go and see my daughter. I will have to go make up with her so that I can grow, so that I can be a better person. Sarah!
Let me talk. Papa, you have hurt me. You've hurt me. For years, I have carried the pain of feeling unwanted. For years, I have carried the pain of feeling unloved by my own father. All I asked was a space, a little space in your heart for me. Today, I am not here to argue with you or to rehearse the past. I am here to finally confront you and to finally let go. You might not be able to undo all that you did to me, and I might not be able to forget. But I am tired of holding on to this anger. I am tired of letting everything you have done and you have said to me define me. Because I know I am a strong woman and I am better.
Sarah.
I don't need to be a man.
Sarah, I've hurt you. Sarah, look at where I live. I have not grown. Look at me. I have not grown for 4 years. I have harbored resentment. I have harbored foolishness. I have harbored evil. Sarah, forgive me. Forgive me, Sarah. Forgive me.
Please.
Sarah, forgive me. I'm sorry.
Please.
Forgive me.
All I want you to do.
I'm sorry.
All I want is a father.
I'm sorry.
Just be a father to me.
Sarah, forgive me. Forgive me, Sarah. Forgive me. Forgive me. Sarah, can I be your father? Can I be your father again? Can I be your father? Forgive me. Sarah, forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Mom, my dad and I made up today. That's good. I'm happy both of you have been able to sort things out. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't tell you about Romeo and I. I was just scared. I didn't know how you would take it. And I didn't want to complicate things. I thought we were close enough. I thought we were well bonded that you could actually tell me anything. That's the more reason why I couldn't tell you. Because I didn't want it to look like after everything you've done for me, I had to go for your son. Like everything you did for me wasn't enough. I promise you, I didn't plan any of this. It just happened. But you should have just told me. It came to me as a shock. I never believed you and Romeo could actually keep things from me. Sorry. It was actually my idea. And I didn't want things to be awkward between us. Sorry. It's fine.
Mommy,
Yes.
sorry.
And I said, it's fine, it's okay, I've heard you. I wish you had told me more. That's okay.
I didn't want to cause more trouble. That's why I decided to end things in trauma.
Why would you do that? Sarah, why would you sacrifice your happiness? If you truly love Romeo, then you should be able to continue with what you have with him.
I just don't want things to be awkward between us. I do not want to lose what we share.
Listen to me, darling. We're not going to lose what we share. I just felt we were close enough for you to tell me from the get-go. But it's fine. I understand. All right? And I don't see any reason why you should end what both of you have if two of you are happy with what you have. Okay?
So you mean you don't have a problem with us being together?
Absolutely. I do not have any problems with both of you being together. I should be happy that my two favorite people in the whole wide world are coming together and they're getting married.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I'm so much more.
I love you too, darling. Shouldn't be any secrets. All right? When people keep secrets, it ruins relationships. Is that okay? Dear Pinky. Okay, so now we're going to invite your dad over for dinner. What do you say?
That's a wonderful idea.
Let's just all settle things and move forward.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So I have to go to the grocery store and stuff.
Stock up? Yes.
Yes.
So from tomorrow, we'll be good. I'm happy. Yes, darling. Love you more. So let's hurry.
I would like to take this liberty to thank all of you and to say that I have made mistakes. I'm truly sorry. Truly sorry for all the mistakes I've made. I'm sorry.
Dad, it's been a long run. But I believe all of us are ready to move on now. And sincerely, I forgive you.
Yeah, you know, the most important thing is that we come together as a family, even though we're coming from a very long place and different places for all of us. That we come together as a family and learn to forge ahead and just move on.
Mommy. Mr. Jacob. I just want to use this opportunity to tell you both how shamelessly in love I am with Sarah. And I really, really want to spend the rest of my life with her.
Oh, my darling. Honestly, I actually want to bless both of you from the very depths of my heart. Both of you are just a perfect match. And I think yours is a love made in heaven. And I want to ask God to really bless your union and grant you all the desires of your hearts according to His will.
Amen.
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 Thank you.
Sarah, my darling. These are the title deeds of the land and the village. I give them to you so that you can build for your NGO. And then, as for your marriage, I accept. Romeo, thank you so much. You opened my eyes to a lot of things, and you've actually made this day possible. Thank you so much. I bless you both. I hope you prosper, and God will guide you. You will
Amen.
multiply. Amen. And so you have more blessings.